everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. Welcome back to another Sew Sundays, where we create really simple, easy, and beginner-friendly projects. So let's get started with the materials that you're going to need in order to create your scrunchy earrings. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a glue gun. You will need earring of your choice, any size. You will need a safety pin, and you will need any fabric of your choice. My measurements are 11.5 by 1 inch, and that goes based off the size of my earring and how much scrunch you want inside of your earring. Okay, so the more scrunchy that you want your earring to be, all dramatic, the longer you will make your fabric piece. My measurements again are 11.5 by 1 inch, and of course you will need your sewing machine. So let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is create a straight stitch on each of our ends. I have already done this one. Create a straight stitch going across. Now, when you are folding over your piece, you don't want to fold it over too much, maybe about 1 inch or so. Just a small, about, again, 1 inch, just like this. A straight stitch we are creating, and when you start to sew, do not forget to back stitch. Okay, so we're going to forward stitch, and now we're going to back stitch. Depending on what machine you have, your back stitch may be placed somewhere different. And that's our first stitch. Okay, now that we have created our first stitch, here is time for our second stitch, which is straight down the middle. Okay, so get as many pins as you need and create your straight stitch all the way down to the very end. Again, forward stitch and back stitch. Now here's the next step. You want to take your safety pin, place it on one of the ends of your fabric. So we're not connecting them together, we're just placing it on one piece. And now you want to take your safety pin and place it inside of the fabric, move it down, and every now and then we're going to pull the fabric through. Be patient with this part because it is going to take you a little time, okay? Now that your fabric is right sides out, you want to get your earring and place the fabric around the earring. And as you can see, you are already, it's forming the scrunch around. And this is where you would place a little bit of hot glue on the very end of the earring, like right here, just a little bit. And now you want to hover your fabric piece around it. Hold it for a few seconds. And now you're going to wrap. Once it's on, you want to wrap the other piece around and place another dab of hot glue. And that will seal the fabric piece together. And I will show you what it's looking like. This is how it looks, just like this. And you want to repeat the same thing for this end here. Place a dab of glue towards the end. Place your fabric on. Hover over it for a few seconds. Now you want to wrap your piece around each other, and you're going to place another dab of hot glue. And you're going to seal it. And this is the completed look. I have already done the other piece of the earring off camera. So here's our both pieces together, side by side. And let's get a visual. These turned out really cute. They light, they comfortable. And now I'm going to make more. You can't stop here. You can't. Look how cute. Look. These are really quick and easy, as I stated before, and these will make great gifts. And also, if you have like little scrap pieces of fabric that you don't want to throw away, like me, mine was just this little scrap piece of fabric that I had left from when I made masks about a year ago now. And I decided I was going to keep my scrap pieces because I wanted to find something that I was going to use them for. And look at this. These are cute. Okay, let me stop showing off. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to create them or if you have a different look, maybe a different shape. I do know that they have like triangles. I want to try the triangle shape as well. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask at the bottom of the description box below. Okay, share with your family and friends, and I will see you guys on my next Sew Sundays. Thank you. Bye.